read books. Now, this is your prediction. This is not a group discussion. This is your prediction. Help me, though. How would I start that in a complete sentence? I want to start in a complete sentence. How would I start it? Help your classmates out. Kylie. Okay, that's okay. How would you start it out, guys? It says, which do you think will move faster? A marble rolling down a hill from a high height or a low height? And it's your prediction. So how are you going to answer that? Okay, instead of think, what could we use? What's a better science word? Very good. I predict the marble. What are we looking for? The marble will what? Go faster. Good job. When, and I'm not going to tell you what to put after when, though. We'll go faster when, and you need to tell me, when do you think it's going to go faster? At a high height, that would be the 3 books, or would it be a low height? Maybe the 1 book. Now, after you put your last word, we have a little bit more because it says explain. Explain your prediction. I predict the marble will go faster when, let's just say you said, when it is at a lower height. Because, so go ahead, add the word because, and tell me why. What do you know already? What did we look at yesterday that might influence your decision? When you are done, I want you to quietly, I want you to read it to yourself. And if you have to whisper it, that's fine. But I want it to sound complete. If something is chunky or something doesn't sound right, you're either missing a word or you're missing a period somewhere or something needs to be fixed. Okay? Read it to yourself. Does it make